So first, welcome to part 2, guys. First, I will be drilling a hole in this. And how do I do reverse that? Like this?
Yep. That go all the way through?
I think so. No, it's close.
Here, find your clamp. There you go. Okay, clamp that down.
Oh, wait, I'm doing reverse right now.
Yeah, do it the other way.
How do I?
Just push it. There you go. Think you're through now?
I think so.
Alright, let's see if the clock fits through there.
Okay, so I just ready.
No, keep going.
Okay, so I just drilled this, guys. Gonna see if it goes through. It goes through.
Yep, we just gotta be able to get the nut on it.
Yep.
So, does the nut fit?
Nope, not quite.
Oh, so we're gonna have to use different drill bits
Yep.
to make the hole a little bit bigger, but not all the way through. You want me to do this one? This one's a little harder.
Yeah.
Okay, here, hold this and record us. It's just about the same size.
There you go.
Let's see.
It rounded it out more.
Yep. Let's see if the nut will fit in. No. Well, sort of, but not really. Okay.
You want to go half?
Yep, let's go one size bigger. Watch where you're pointing the camera. I don't think everybody wants to see your foot.
Did you get it out of reverse?
Yeah, we're good. Okay, so now, put this through. Put this on. Yep, it fits in there. Now, yep. It's a little bit too thick, I'll tell you that much though.
Yeah.
This may or may not work out. We'll see. I don't know if the hands are going to fit on there. But we'll figure it out. Alright, so it's on.
Yay!
Now we just got to put the hands on. See if those will fit.
Did you put out a piece?
Yeah, just hold on. Whoops.
Oof. You dropped the piece.
Yes. Okay, let's see if this will fit. I do not know. Nope.
Fail.
Fail. What we can try to do, though, which I'll try to do, is sanding these down and make them lower.
Yeah.
So that way we can try to put these on. Because the hands do not fit right now.
So it has been a fail.
Yeah, well, we're learning. So learning experience, and we'll learn more next time. But we can still make this work out with a simple sanding on the top. I think that'll work really well. So I will work on that, and we will continue in part 3 of this. Was going to be an easy project. It turned difficult. But we'll get there, guys.